days. That means in each day he'll be doing 1/6 of the work, 1/6 of job or work. Okay. Similarly, B, in one day, B will be doing how much of the work? 1/8 of the work. Since the same job, B takes 8 days. So each day B will be doing 1/8 of the job. Okay, this is clear. Now see here, after 2 days, so they have worked together for 2 days. So A plus B, if they work for one day together, how much work they will do? 1/6 plus 1/8. This much of the work they will be doing. Take the LCM, 24, 6, 4 plus 3, 7 upon 24 of the work they will do together. If they work together, they will do 7 upon 24 of the work in one day. Now in 2 days, how much of the work they will do? 14 upon 24. One day they are doing 7 upon 24. Multiply with 2, they will do this much of work in 2 days. So it will be how much? 7 upon 12 of the work.
12.
Okay. This much work they have already completed for 2 days. Now B falls ill, so B leaves. Now remaining work who has to do? A will do the work, remaining work. So first we have to calculate the remaining work. So remaining work will be how much? Total work we always take as 1. 1 minus 7 upon 12. That will be 5 upon 12. This is remaining work. And who has to do? A has to do. So whole job, one full work. Whole job, A takes how many days? A takes 6 days. If whole job he has to complete, A has to complete, he or she, then 6 days will be taken. Now, for 5 upon 12 of the job. Now, A has to do only 5 of the 12th job. 5/12 of the job. So A takes how many? 6 into only 5 upon 12, 5 upon 12. So how many it will be? 2 1/2 days. Have you understood this one? The whole job A does in 6 days. Now only 5 upon 12 of the job A has to do. So A will take how many? Multiply with 6 into 5 upon 12. 2.5 days. In 2.5 days, A will complete. This is clear?
Sir, which question is this?
This is 7th question. This is
Sir,
clear?
question.
Okay. 8th question. Please go through the video once. Have you gone through the video last days? 7th and 8th question I have explained on 19th in detail. Okay, 8th question, just go through the video once today. If you still have the doubt, ask tomorrow, okay? Have you gone through the video? Okay, do one thing, go through the video today, for 8th question. If you don't understand, ask tomorrow, okay? Similar question we'll be discussing again, I think, somewhere, okay? 8th question, once go through the video. If you don't understand, ask tomorrow, okay? Okay, for 8th question, see here, we have done in using one method, okay? There's one more method, you can go with example 8. Go to the example 8, there's one more method to solve the 8th question, okay? Just go through it today, and tomorrow I'll be explaining this question again. At last, I'll be explaining this question again, okay? Now, 9th question. A and B can do a job together in 25 days. A and B, they can do a job together in 25 days. Okay, if they work together, they complete the work in 25 days. This is clear, first line. Now, after 15 days of working together, so they have worked for 15 days together. And then B leaves. So they have worked for 15 days, so we'll calculate the amount of work done in 15 days. Okay, then we'll calculate the remaining work. Remaining work we'll calculate. Now, this remaining work A completes in 20 days. The remaining work A completes in 20 days. So the question is asking, how long would each take to complete the job when working separately? Okay, if they work separately, then how many days each will take to complete the job separately? This is the question. So how we will proceed? First line, we go with the first line. And we can do a job together in 25 days. So A plus B do job in how many days? Complete the job in how many days?
25 days.
It means in one day, both how many work they are doing? In one day.
1 by 25.
A plus B do how much of the work? 1 by 25 of work.
25.
So each day they will be doing 1 by 25, 1 by 25th of the work they will be doing. Okay. Now for how many days they work together? For 15 days they work together. In 15 days, A plus B will do how much of the work? In 15 days, one day they are doing 1 by 25. So 15 days they will be doing how much? Multiply with 15. 15 upon 25. It will be how much? 3 upon 5 of work. Understood this one? So in 15 days, A and B will be completing 3/5 of the work. 3/5 of the work they will be completing. Now B leaves. So what will be the remaining work?
2/5.
2/5. 1 minus 3 upon 5. So it will be 2/5 of work. This much amount of work is remaining. So remaining work is, we separate the work done from 1. That will be the remaining work. So 2/5 of the work is remaining. And this work is completed by whom? This work is to be completed by A in 20 days. A in 20 days. So 2/5 of work is completed or done by A in how many days? 20 days.
20 days.
It's given in question, and the question is asking how many days each will take to do the job separately. So see, 2/5 of the work A completes in 20 days. If you take the whole work, in how many days A will complete? Whole work or the full work you can write, or one work. Full work is completed by A in how many days? 2/5 of work is completed by A in 20 days. Whole work will be completed by, so 20 divided by 5 by 2. 20 divided by 5 by 2, 5. Like this we can write. 1 minute, 1 minute. 20 divided by 2 by 5. It's 2 by 5. Okay, divided by 2 by 5. Understood this one? So we have to divide by 2 by 5. So it will be how much? 50 days.
50 days.
This is clear? Or see here, if you have any doubt here that whether we have to divide or multiply, first of all, see here, 2/5 of the work is completed in 20 days. One of the work, whatever quantity is here, we divide by this. Okay? Or else, if you are confused, so see here, 2/5 of the work, it means less work is completed in 20 days. So full work will be completed in more days. So answer must be more days. Answer must be more days. That means 5 must come in numerator and 2 must come in denominator. Okay. Answer must be more days than 20 days. Answer must be more days than 20 days. Okay. Now, full work, A takes how many days? 50 days. Now, how to find B? See here. A and B can do job in 25 days. In one day, they can work 1 by 25 of the 5th of the work. And A, in one day, A works how much?
1 by 50 of the work.
A does 1/50 of the work, and both they are doing 1/25 of 1/25th of the work. So in one day, B does how much of the work? Both are working 1/25. So from this, if we subtract 1/50, we'll get the B's work, because this amount of work is for A and B. So if we subtract 1/50 from this one, we get the amount of work done by B in one day. So 1/25 minus 1/50. So we can write it 2/50, making the denominator same. It will be again 1/50 answer. Have you understood this one? So how many?
Yes,
In
sir.
one day, B does 1/50. So to complete the job, B will take how many days? 50
50
days?
days.
We will take 50 days. Understood this question? So see it again. What we have to find? How much time, how many days A will take if he does alone. How many days B will take if he or she does alone. Okay, this you have to find. So what is being given? A and B can do a job in 25 days. So we have calculated one day job of A and B. How many work of the work they are doing? That is 1/25th of the work. Okay. So in 15 days, they worked together for 15 days. So in 15 days, they completed 3/5 of the work. Now remaining work will be 2/5 of the work. Okay. This remaining work is completed by whom? A in 20 days. So 2/5 of the work is completed by A in 20 days. Okay. Now the whole work, full work will be completed in how many days? We divide 20 by 2/5 and we get the 50 days as answer. So A is taking how many days? 50 days, we got one answer. Now B is how we can calculate. So if A completes the work in 50 days when working alone, so in one day A will be doing how much? 150 of the work. And in one day, if they work together, they will do 1/25. So we have to find only A. So we have to remove A's work. We have to find only B's work. So we remove A's work. So from their total work for the day, we will subtract A's one day work. It will be 1/50 we get again. So B's work is B works in, completes the work in 50 days. So this one, step by step wise we go. So both work in 25 days. So one day work we have calculated, then 15 days work we have calculated of both. Now one left, B left, remaining work we calculated. This remaining work is completed by A in 20 days. So full work, we calculate the number of days which have been taken by A to complete the work. In one day, A does 150 of the work, and we calculated one day work for B as well. When both are working for a day, from that work we removed A's one day work, and we get the B's one day work, and from that we can find the number of days we take. Okay, understood this one? Any doubt? Any doubt? Ask now. Okay, now read the next question, and I'll rub for that time. Read the next question and see what question is saying. First go with what question is saying, then what it is asking. Okay. Now 10th question. Okay, and do tell me whenever the time is over. Okay, 9:35. Do tell me. Okay, next question. Ninth we have done. 10th question. 8 men or 12 women can do a job in 25. 8 men and 12 women can do a job in 25 days. Okay, or it means 8 men do job of work. Job in 25 days. Okay, this is fine. And 12 women or 12 women do job in 25 days. Okay, we are having same job. We are having same job. 8 men can complete this job in 25 days. Job in 25 days. Yes or no?
Your video is paused.
8 men job in 25 days. 12 women does job in 25 days. By the way, women are more efficient. That's the truth of here. That's the
Your
truth.
video is paused.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
your
8
video is
men
paused.
complete the job here.
No,
Sir,
sir.
video is paused.
Sir,
Not
your
clear.
voice is cutting
Sir,
in
it is
between.
clear.
It's clear? Okay then.
Sir,
Okay.
it's clear.
8 men.
Sir, your
It's
voice
clear.
is breaking
Okay, thank
between.
you. Is voice fine
No,
or is
sir.
it breaking?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
no.
Sir, voice is also clear.
Okay,
Sir,
see
not
here,
audible.
whenever the
The voice is also clear.
It's breaking. It's not
okay,
over.
whenever it's not clear, just tell
Sir,
me.
both are correct.
I'll reconnect it. Okay, okay then. See here, 8
Sir,
men can
not
do a job in
correct.
25 days. 12 women can do a job in 5 days. This is given.
Sir, video.
We have to calculate in what time can 6 men and 11 women can do it. Okay, in what time can 6 men and 11 women can
I rejoin?
do it? That we have to find. Here there are two methods. Yes, you can rejoin. There are two methods to do this one. There are two methods to do this question. One is given in book, other we can do. So which one? Okay, let me discuss the method given in book. Okay, so what we can write. Okay, and what you have to calculate 6 men and 12 women are working together. When 6 men and 12 working together, so how many days they will take? So in this question, what we are doing first method, we are replacing men by women. We'll be replacing these 6 men by women. How we can replace 6 men by women? See, for this, what we'll do? 8 men's work. What 8 men work are doing? 8 men that 12 women are able to do. 12 women's work. This you understood? What 8 men are taking to do the job? The same job, 12 women's. So 8 men's work is same as 12 women's work. 8 men's work is same as 12 women's work. Okay, they are 25, both are taking 25 days. This is same. Okay, now what we are doing, we are going to calculate 6 men's work in terms of women's work. What we are going to do, we are going to calculate 6 men's work in terms of women's work. So 8 men's work, 1 man's work will be how much? 1 man's work will be how much? Anyone in class? 8 men's work is 12 women's work. 1 man's work will be
1
12
upon
upon 8.
25.
12 no, I'm asking, see here, 8 men's work is equal to 12 women's work. 1 man's work will be equal to how many women's work? 12 upon 8?
12 upon
It
8.
is how much? Okay, 1 minute.
3 upon 2.
3 by 2.
3.2. 3 by 2 of the woman's work. Okay. 1 man's work is how much? 3 by 2 of the woman's. Okay. Now 6 men's work will be how much? 6 men's work will be how much? 3 by 2 into 6. It will be 9. 9 women's work. Understood this one? 8 men's work equal to 12 women's work. 1 man's work equal to 3 by 2 women's work. That is 1.5 women's work. 6 men's work will be equal to 9 women's work. Okay. 6 men's work equal to 9 women's work. Okay, this is clear. And what we have to calculate? 6 men's work and 12 women's work. When 6 men are working together. 6 men plus
Sir,
12,
6 men and 11 women.
11 women are there. Okay.
7 women. 7 women.
11. Okay. 6 men plus 11 women's work will be calculated. Okay. How much? What time they will take? Okay. This we have to calculate 6 men plus 11 women's work. Okay. Now this year 6 men's work we can substitute with 9 women's work. They are equal. So instead of 6 men we can write 9 women. Okay. 9 women plus 11 women. Women's work. Is this clear? Okay, so in this question, what we do?
Yes.
Did 6 men plus 6 men, when 6 men and 11 women are working, how many days they will take? This we have to find. So what we are going to do, we will be replacing men by women first. And how we can replace? It is given a question that 8 men can do a job in
Sir,
25
your
days.
video is not clear.
Yes, sir, it is not clear.
Yes, sir,
Not
blurred
clear.
video.
Sir, now clear.
Clear.
Okay, now
Clear.
clear?
Sir, now
Okay,
clear.
okay, now, okay. 12 women
Sir,
can do
now
the same job
clear.
in, okay, I'm explaining again, no, doesn't matter. 12 women can do the same job in 25 days. It means 8 men's work is same as 12 women's work. 8 men's work equal to 12 women's work. Now we calculated 1 man's work. 1 man's work. It will be 3 by 2 women's work. This we have calculated. Now 6 men's work we have calculated in terms of women's work. Okay. Now the question is asking 6
Sir, your
men
video
plus
is again blurred.
11 women are working. Okay, we replace
Sir,
men
your
by
video-
women. Okay, just wait a minute. So 9 women plus 11 women. It will be how many women? 20 women's work. So this we have to calculate 20 women's work we have to calculate. Okay. Now in question it is given 12 women takes how many days? 25 days. I'm writing here.
Sir,
12.
here.
Is it fine now?
Sir, it's not clear. Yes,
It's
sir.
not.
Sir, blurred video.
It's clear
Not
now?
clear. So now clear.
Yeah.
Okay, just see now. 12 women can complete the job in 25 days. 12 women can complete the job in 25 days. This you already know. 12 women can complete the job in 25 days. Okay. 1 woman will complete the job in how many days? 25 multiply or divide?
Twen-
Multiply.
25.
12
Why will
women,
not
25 days. Okay, why we multiplied? See, 12 women are able to complete the job in 25 days. So 1 woman will complete in more number of days. So 25 into 12. We have to multiply. Less the number of persons, more the days are taken to complete the job. We have to multiply. Okay, they are inversely proportional. Okay, now we have to calculate 20 women's work. So 20 women, when 20 women are working, less number of days they will take. They will take less number of days. We have to divide by 20. 25 into 12 divided by 20. Okay, 4 3s are 5, 15 days. Okay, is this question clear? So see here in this question what we did. The question is asking when 6 men and 11 women are working. One more line you can write. When 6 men and 11 women are working, how many days they are going to take? So what we did in this question, we replaced man with woman. Right? Instead of 6 men, how many women will be working the same work? So how we can go for that? 8 men do the job in 25 days. 12 women do the same job in 25 days. It means 8 men's work is same as 12 women's work. 8 men's work is same as 12 women's work. So 8 men's work is equal to 12 women's work. 1 man's work is equal to 3 by 2 women's work. This is clear? We divided by 8, 12 upon 8. Now, 6 men's work we have to calculate it because you have to find, we have to replace 6 men by women. 6 men we have to replace by women. So 6 men's work will be 9 women's work. 6 men will be 9 women's work. So if we have to replace 6 men, we have to write 9 women's here. 9 women's plus 11 women, total 20 women's. So we have to find at last 20 women's work. Now to calculate 20 women's work, we already know 12 women's takes 25 days. And 1 woman will take how many days? 25 into 12. Because number of women decreases, days taken will be more. We have to multiply by 12. Okay. Now 20 women. More the number of women, less days it will take. So divide by 20. Always reason it out. Okay. It will take 15 days. So 6 men and 11 women, when they are working together, they will take 15 days. Is this question clear now? Any doubt in this question?
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay, now read the next question, 11th question. Read the 11th question. Okay, 11th question. A, B, and C. It's easy question. It's very easy question. A, B, and C can do a job in 12 hours, 20 hours, and 30 hours respectively. So there is some job A can complete in 12 hours, B can complete in 20 hours, C can complete in 30 hours. If they all work together, how long will they take to complete the job? Can you do this as homework? A takes
Yes.
12 hours.
Yes.
So in one hour, A will be doing how much? 1/12 of the hour. 1/12 of the work. Similarly, B will be doing 1/20th of the work. C will be doing 1/30th of the work in 1 hour. Now add the total work for 1 hour. So 1/12 plus 1/20 plus 1/30. That will be the work in 1 hour done by A plus B plus C. Okay. Now take the reciprocal, you find the number of days. Okay, this question do as homework. Okay. Read the next question. 13th question. 12th question. A can do a job in 3 hours. B can do the job in 4 hours. C can do the job in 6 hours. If they all work together and receive 360 rupees, how much money should each get? Okay, total they are getting 360 rupees. So they will get according to the work. One who does the more work will get the more money. So in 1 hour, A will be doing how much of the work? A does how much of the work? To complete the job, A takes 3 hours. It means 1/3 of the work A is doing. Okay. And in 1 hour, B does how much of the work? 1/4 of the work, because B is taking how much? 4 hours of work. Okay. In 1 hour, C will be doing how much of the work? 1/6, because C is taking 6 hours. So each hour, C will be doing 1/6 of work. Okay. This we have got. Now if we take the ratio of their work, A's work, ratio of works of A, B, and C. It will be how much? You can write as well. A is to B is to C. Here it represents their work ratio. It will be how much? 1/3 is to 1/4 is to 1/6. Okay. Now see here. If we take the LCM, it will be 12. If we multiply the numerators, all the 3 numerators by 12, we can remove the denominators. The ratio is same. 12/3 is to 12/4 is to 12/6. It will be how much? 4 is to 3 is to 2. In this ratio, they will be getting the money. So A's share.
What
A's share
is
will be
written?
how much? Where?
There.
Here?
Sir, time over.
Okay,
What
one
is
minute,
the
I'll take. See here, if you multiply this whole, see here, it's the ratio. So all the three terms we multiply with 12. 12, 12, 12. We have taken the LCM. So 4:3:2 is the
Yes,
ratio.
sir.
Okay. Now A share will be how much? 4 upon total is how much? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 into 360. Here it is 40. 40 into 4, 160 rupees. B's share will be how much? 3 upon 9 into 360.
So which question you are doing?
It is 12th question. 12th question, rupees 120. Similarly, you will the C share. C share. 9 into 360, it will be how
Sir,
much?
11th question you have to do as homework. Sir,
Yes,
11th question homework.
11th question you have to do as homework. 12th is fine. You can do 12th now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can do the 12th question now. Okay then. So we end up here. Okay. Okay. Thank you. We'll continue tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.